Isolation valves are like superheroes dwelling within your pipes, ready to swoop in and save you from disastrous floods and sky-high repair bills. An isolation valve is a type of valve used to control the flow of a liquid or gas within a plumbing system. It typically looks like a small metal or plastic knob or lever connected to a pipe. These valves can be found at various points in a plumbing system, often near fixtures such as sinks, toilets, or appliances like washing machines. They're usually located along the pipes, either near where water enters a specific area or just before it reaches a fixture. In some cases, they might be hidden behind walls, under sinks, or within utility areas. During maintenance, they prevent leaks by stopping water flow. In emergency pipe breaks, their swift action is a lifesaver. Proper installation and placement of these valves can avert potential disasters, but knowing where they are is crucial. If they're hard to access or absent, professional installation might be necessary. It ensures they do their job effectively, preventing future issues. Regular maintenance is key. Like checking tire pressures before a road trip, ensure your isolation valves operate smoothly. It's a small task that prevents significant problems. There are various types like ball valves, gate valves, globe valves, and butterfly valves, each serving specific purposes in your plumbing system. Understanding isolation valves saves your day and potentially your wallet too. Stay aware, be prepared, and know thy valve. For professional installation, maintenance, or to learn more, contact Anthem Plumbing and HVAC today.